we going to restart camera? Apparently not. Try again. Fine. Properties, deactivate, reactivate. There we go. So today I'm doing some debugging on the RC14 kit. I've got my 14 micro, which is an entire Z80 system, including ROM and RAM and serial I/O, using this adapter here, USB serial I/O. And so I'm testing the backplane, and I've got the digital I/O board up and running. So I'm using a simple basic program. So this is actually from the listing in the web pages for this device. So basically it's the it outputs 1 bit at a time, pauses, so it does left to right, right to left, back here, and that's what you're seeing. So to get this to work, first of all, there were some shorts on the backplane itself. So the power supply had to be, it was shorting out. So I found the shorts, there were solder bridges. Then plugged in the main micro board here. Got that working. Had to I installed putty, which is what you're looking at here on the screen. Let's look over here. That one. So what you see here is the sort of test program writing out 1 bit at a time, and so it's outputting it forward and backwards. So the sockets, some of them had some connections that are not great. So for instance, if I wobbled it, it stopped working. So I had to go through and double check with the my illuminated magnifier. That's what this is. Nice to you can see things magnified with that. Yeah, that's a Radio Shack, something I got from Radio Shack a long time ago. And so use that to check all the soldered joints, and that found a few issues. So I fixed those. And so at the moment I've got the micro board working. I found some dry joints also on the latches here. So I haven't tried the input side of this board yet, but I'll just do that quickly, and hopefully that should all just work. I was missing some jumpers down here. So basically these jumpers, it wasn't obvious that they needed to be there. But if they're not there, the board's disabled, as is this jumper over here. I need to put a jumper in over here. So that's what's going on there. This one, what did I do? I just crashed it, apparently. So I apparently just enabled put my finger over here and it crashed the system. So I'm assuming that something went wrong there. You try to read from it. Okay, there we go. I can hit the reset button. I can do a warm, I believe. Yes, in here. Wrong window. That's not the actual window. That's the OBS version of it. This is the actual window. Let's just see if it cleared memory or not. Oops, there we go. Let's run that. See if it runs again. Oh, we fixed it. Okay. So as long as you don't break the power, the RAM stays up, and you've got the option when you hit the reset switch to continue with the current memory contents. So that fixed that. So there we go. It's starting to work. Now I've got to start working out how to test some of the other boards, because it's the minimum configuration using just the regular Z80 board and stuff is like I got up 4 working boards. They all have to work before anything you can actually show anything. So that's the next challenge. So okay, so we'll just